Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do a little Etsy launch. I'm very excited. I've had most of these things ready for a bit now and actually needed to just like create them. They've been designed for a little bit, so it's finally time. It's a fairly small launch, so this video should be pretty short, although I always say that and then I always talk and make the video way longer than it needs to be, but yeah, we're gonna jump right into it. If you're seeing this, I want to say everything should be available now in the shop, but I haven't taken any pictures yet, created any listings, so maybe I'll put something on the screen here letting you know if they are in the shop or not. I mean, they should be, right? It should be my job to get these up before I'm showing the launch, because then why would I show the launch, right? So let's just commit to that now. If you're watching this video, all of the items are up and available in the shop. If you are interested in purchasing or even just like checking anything out, if you could use the link below in my description box, or I may be able to put the links on the screen depending. If you could use those links, I would be forever grateful, because that saves me a little bit on Etsy fees, and yes, thank you if you choose to use those. Okay, so let's get right down to it. It's only like a couple of products. First, I have a few new scratch off sets. So the first one, like, what am I naming these? I don't even know. The first one, I guess, is called Cute Fruit. Cute Fruit. So you have your pineapple, $35. Every one of the scratch offs does tell you the amount that you're going to save. $35. Look at how cute. And these are actually pretty large. I consider them to be. So I know, like, in the past, some of my like really early on scratch offs have been a little bit smaller, but these are basically as large as I could get them while still being able to fit into the cardboard envelope that I used to ship them. So we have the little pineapple here, adorable, and the strawberry, he is 28 plus. And then probably my favorite in this bunch, look at the watermelon, you guys, so cute. He is $40. Anything with a plus on all of these is going to have like a skip or double, a ×2, something like that. So this is the whole set. With all of my scratch offs, you can choose one. There will be a drop down. You can choose one or two, or you can get the set of all three. You're going to save, you know, the most money if you get the full set. So that is Cute Fruit. Adorable, love it. Then we have the lemonade set. So you have your lemon. He is 30 plus, and again, I don't know if it's like coming off on camera, but they are pretty large, at least I think so. So you have your adorable lemon, and then you have your cut lemon. Let's see, the lemon is 30 plus. This cut lemon is $50. So cute. And then you use those both to make your glass of lemonade. How adorable, you guys, with the faces. You guys know I'm obsessed with these little faces. I absolutely love them. The glass of lemonade is $40. Again, you can choose one or all three. So that is the lemonade set. And then we have a coffee set. Now, I have had a coffee set in my shop forever. That's like one of my first sets, and it's still popular. But I wanted to create another one, a refreshed one, and this set is definitely cuter. So you have, oh my goodness, look at this little guy. He is $40. Again, pretty large. So you have your like to-go cup, I guess you can say. And then you have your mug. Super duper adorable. He is $30, he or she. And then wait for it. You have this jumbo croissant. How cute. $34 for this one. I want to take a bite out of this, you guys. It's so stinking cute. So that's going to be called, I guess, Cute Coffee, because my original set is just coffee, I think. So Cute Coffee for that one. And last but not least, this is going to be called, I guess, pool scratch offs. I know, such original names, right? But you have your little inflatable pool. This one is $42. With all these, just like all of my other cutouts, I tried to keep most of the amounts low. Some of these do have some 10s here and there, not a ton. But the listing, I usually will write in the listing what the highest number is under any scratch, just so you're aware. Not that anybody reads the descriptions anyway these days, but yeah, so $42 for your pool. Then you have your lounge chair, 30 plus. So adorable. And then what pool day would not be complete without your sunblock, right? And because I'm creative like that, it doesn't say a dollar amount, it's SPF 50, so it adds up to $50. So that is the pool set. Again, you can choose one or choose all three. And that is it for the scratch offs. We have 4 new scratch off sets, so you can choose, you know, whatever you like there. And then we have something new to me, which are these 4x6 challenges, and I think that's what I'm going to call them. So if you're interested in these, just check for 4x6 challenges. But the first one is going to be a separate listing because this is actually a set. So these are all printed on glossy photo paper, 4x6 size. So if you know the size of a standard 4x6 picture, that is the size of these. Because they're printed on glossy photo paper, the colors are like super vibrant. Which is why I think I have loved creating these. They're a little bit smaller in size, and I don't know, they just come out so cute. So this again is a set of 4, and as you could tell, the theme on this one is medical. So this first one here is a board game. So all you do is you could start anywhere. You just move around your board, roll a die, move your number of spaces, save the amount. But then if you land on a space with this little shot, you can double it. You can double the number if you want. That's just for extra savings. It reminds you right here, you can double that number if you choose to. So that is the first one in the set. The second one is roll and multiply. So each of these little clipboards have a number times 2, times 3, or times 4, or times 5. Wowza. And you roll a die and you write your number in the little clipboard and then multiply it to save. So really simple and easy. You could obviously choose, or if you want to make it more of a challenge, you can go in order. So like, for example, on your third time, you'll be on the times 4 and like kind of make yourself have to use that, if that makes sense. Instead of like saying, oh, well, I rolled a 6, so I'm going to do a times 2. If you're on the third one and you roll a 6 times 4, that's $24. So you could do it however you want. Look at this little blood drop, you guys. And I know there's shadows, I'm sorry, but how adorable is he? I mean, so cute. So that's roll and multiply. Then you have this one is just like a standard kind of save the number, but there's like 3 different ways to save. So the first one, you double each of these, and then you can color in the little number, or you can just cross it off. The second one, you just save the number just straight. And then the third one, you do a little roll and save, and then write your numbers in the little medical kit or whatever that's called. But again, oh, I just love these. I don't know. I just think they're so cute. And then the last one in the set is just save the number straight, and this totals $50. So you can check the little circle next to each number when you're done saving it. I wanted to do a full medical set because I feel like medical is so expensive, and like you can never have enough money in your medical fund, basically. So that is the medical set. I think what I'm going to do is offer these individually, or you can grab the full set. These are going to be, all these 4x6 challenges are going to be really affordable because literally I just need to print them out and that's it. And again, it's like high quality, like photo paper. So you will receive it just like this. Now, because it's photo paper, it is fairly thin. Just think like if you have a picture that you've ever gotten printed out, right? It's pretty thin, so it's not going to be like super durable. This, if I tried to rip this, I would probably be able to do that pretty easily. So just know these 4x6, they're vibrantly colored, but they're not like the most durable. So that is the medical set, and then I have 3 more individual ones. So this is going to be its own listing because again, it's a set, but you will be able to purchase them individually. And then so this will probably be called medical 4x6 set or something, I don't know. But then these are going to be all in the same listing, and then there will be a drop down to select what you want. So this one is the 52-week challenge, and all you do with this one is save the number of the week in the year. So this is a year-long challenge if you want to do it that way, all the way from the first week of the year up to the 52nd week of the year, and you just save that amount. So the highest number to save on here is $52. And when you're finished, you will have $1,378. So it's a bigger challenge, but again, you can do it week by week. You could also kind of do it backwards if you want. So start at 52, the beginning of the year, and then work your way down. And it'll obviously get much easier as you go down. However you want to do it, it's a bigger challenge. You just color in the little shape next to the dollar amount that you save, and then there you go. Again, 4x6 photo paper. So yeah. It's just that's like, it's that. Words are hard. So that's one. The second one for the 4x6 challenges is called Debt Dash. Again, look how vibrant this orange is, you guys. Glossy and beautiful. I don't know. I'm just loving these 4x6 challenges. So this, obviously you can save to pay off debt, but you don't have to use it for debt. You can use it for, if you're trying to save up for like a down payment on something or anything, obviously, like you can use any challenge for anything. But this one totals $150 when it's done, and it's 5s, 10s, and 15s. And all you do is just work your way down the rows and then just cross off as you save. I think I'm going to do this one next when I'm done with my current debt challenge because I love it. So that's Debt Dash. And then last but not least, which is probably my favorite because it is adorable, is Back to School. So this one's this way. Look how cute these are. I mean, look at the little winking crayons, or are they colored pencils? Yeah, they're colored pencils. Oh, I just can't. I just cannot. So cute. So this one, it doesn't say the total, but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I feel like it's probably 100. So there's 10s, 5s, 2s, and then 1 4. I'm almost positive this equals $100. And this can be good for, if you want to save for school clothes for your kids for back to school, school supplies, whatever it may be. But that is that. So again, these are going to be in their own listing. It's just called 4x6 challenges. This will be a separate listing for the medical challenges. Now, these are the 4x6, but they also are going to come in a different format, and I think this is going to be a separate listing from these. So if you like how these are designed and how vibrant they are and the size and everything, but you want something more durable, I also laminated them. So again, this will be a separate listing. They all look exactly the same. They are identical, except that I trimmed them because when they print on the photo paper, they do print with the border. No matter what I did, I couldn't get the border off, so I don't know, but I just trimmed the border off. So these are slightly smaller than 4x6. Okay, so this is 4x6, and then here's the laminated version, and you can see that there is a small border all around it. So these are slightly smaller and they are laminated, so they're more durable, and these are reusable and wipeable. Okay, so you have your back to school, you have your 52-week challenge, and then you have your Debt Dash. Now, I wanted to do a little test on the glossy photo paper. I had this extra one, and I wanted to see if this is wipeable. I'm guessing it's not because it's not laminated, but I just wanted to test anyway. So the red marker is wet erase or dry erase, I guess. And this dark blue is, it's not a Sharpie, it's this Bic brand, but it's still permanent marker. So let's get out the little magic eraser and see if these erase. Again, I'm not expecting them to, but maybe I will be surprised. So let's see. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I mean, the dry erase one, I guess if you put like a lot of elbow grease into it, like I'm really pushing down, and even then it doesn't fully erase. But technically you could kind of erase it like that, and then it'll just be a lighter color and then color over it again. I don't know. So the photo paper just printed as is will not be erasable. If you want these to be reusable, get the laminated ones, okay? Okay, so that is that. And then last but not least, these challenges are going to come in one other format. So you have your 4x6 standard non-laminated on photo paper. Then you have your slightly smaller than 4x6 laminated, okay? And then you have an envelope style. Now, these are all A5 sized envelopes. They are not available in A6. They're only A5. Because I just didn't want to have to buy all these envelopes, honestly, and potentially like just have them sit around. So they are these same 3 challenges, but envelope style. So you have your debt dash. Now look how much more vibrant the orange is on the photo paper versus this. It's crazy, right? The paper really does make a difference. But these envelope challenges are basically they're stickers, but they're laminated, so they are reusable and wipeable. And they are on this envelope. It's a clear, like PVC envelope. And again, A5 size. So here's your debt dash. And then you have your back to school. And then you have your 52 week. Now, the only thing about these is they will come in 2 different options. This is the top loading, so you put the money in at the top. But I also purchased, accidentally, these side loading ones. So the holes are down here, and you put the money in at the side. This might be like good for the back to school one since it's the challenge is this way. But you can basically choose top loading or side loading, and then once the side loaded ones are gone, I'll probably only have the top loading ones just because that's what I prefer personally. But you will be able to choose side loading if you prefer that. So the envelopes, I don't know if I'm going to do a drop down or personalization. We'll see. But you'll need to choose top loading or side loading. Okay? All right. And that is it, my friends. As I said, kind of small, but no less cute, right? So you have your A5 size envelopes challenges. And again, these are reusable because they are laminated. And then you have your 4x6 size. Okay. And then you have your laminated ones. So the cheapest out of these is going to be your 4x6 because I literally just print those out and send them to you. And then the laminated ones, and then the envelope because there's a little more work involved there. But then you have your medical set. As of right now, the medical set is only just like in the 4x6, but I probably could make them into envelopes if I wanted to. And actually, I think what I'll probably do is offer the medical set laminated as well. I didn't think to even laminate these and show you what they would look like, but it's going to be just slightly smaller and corners rounded, basically. And then you have your adorable little scratch offs here. So that is everything for this launch. I hope you like it. Super excited to be able to have another Etsy launch because yeah, I just love doing them. And as I said, everything should be available right now. Let's put this all sort of in frame so I can take a screenshot for the thumbnail. And that is it. Let me know what you think of the products. What is your favorite? Do you want to see more of these 4x6 challenges? Because I had so much fun creating them. Yeah, if you decide to purchase or even just look, please use the link below in my description, the share and save link, or the links on the screen. That will help me save on some Etsy fees. Thank you so much for all of your support. I love each and every one of you. I'm so grateful for you, and I will catch you in the next video.